So today we're going to learn how to play Victory. And this is a straightforward card game to help us practice our number bonds. So you can see here I've laid out all my cards, but I've only laid out cards up to 5. I've put all the other cards, sixes and face cards, in a separate pile. This is because to start off I'm only going to practice number bonds up to 6. So you take it in turns to choose a card and find the pair that would add to that to make 6. So let's say I take a 5. I then think 5 add what makes 6? Well, I know 6 is 1 more than 5, so it must be 5 add 1. Now there's no 1s, but I can take an ace. I've got a 5 and a 1. That would make 6, and I hold on to that. Then my partner would go. Say my partner would get a 3. 3 add what makes 6? So 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 3 more, so it's 3 add 3. You take the 3s and hold on to that. Now by the end of the game, once there are no cards left, you count up and see who has the most pairs. Now to make it a bit more challenging, it's quite straightforward when they're all face up, is you could start off with all the cards face down and then take turns to turn them over and try and find a match. This, while keeping the maths, also adds a bit of memory game as well. You could also make it more difficult by then adding in the 6s and making it adding up to 7, or putting the 8s back in, or the 9s. Now, if you want to add the face cards back in, it's a bit different then. The face cards, a jack is worth 11, a queen is worth 12, and a king is worth 13. So using those, if you've got a jack, you could maybe add up to 12. So jack could be 11, so jack and an ace would be 12. Add to 13, queen and an ace would be 13, or add up to 14. A king and an ace would be 14. So there's different ways there, so you can tweak it to see how you're doing. You might want to start off adding up to 6, and then once you've got the hang of the game, try it with larger numbers. Hopefully this is a fun and simple wee game that you can use at home to help you practice your number bonds and your adding.